beneath the water's surface and how that process benefits you.
Out Watts Bar.
We took a trip with TVA biologists this afternoon to show you how they manage plants that pop up under the water.
News Channel 9's KAYLA Strayer joins us with more on exactly why these plants need to be controlled. KAYLA.
Latricia, Calvin, the aquatic plants like this in our area are especially common right now because the last few years have brought some warmer winters. It is good for the fishing industry, but bad for boaters and anyone trying to get into the water in shallow areas. Take a look at how TVA's program controls the plant life to keep it safe and cost-effective for everyone.
The buzz of an airboat motor cruising through Watts Bar Reservoir. A unique sight on an otherwise peaceful lake. Right now I'm on one of the TVA airboats. They use these to help manage the aquatic plants. One of the main areas of focus right behind me, these public boat ramps. Brett HARTIS manages TVA's aquatic plant program. He's in charge of making sure these plants don't grow out of control.
In Watts Bar, we roughly manage about 20 acres of the 40,000 acre reservoir for aquatic plants and kind of try to balance the positives like fish and wildlife habitat with the negatives of causing access issues on the reservoir.
Brett and his crew use rakes to figure out which plants are growing where. TVA then hires contractors to treat the areas near public boat ramps and shorelines. After the treatment, Brett comes back to check the area and see how the plants are responding.
It's essentially the same as mowing the grass. It doesn't kill the plant in its entirety. It just knocks it down back to the root system and it regrows within a matter of days to weeks.
The plants can be tough to keep up with, but they do provide a big benefit for bass fishing. The fish actually like the vegetation.
We quickly found out that these plants have some pretty amazing survival mechanisms, and essentially the whole valley learned to live with them, and even some economies have been built out of that with the bass fishery.
And something to keep in mind if you are planning to go boating, especially this weekend, make sure that you're washing and drying your boat and all of your equipment as soon as you get out of the water. This helps them keep invasive plants from being transferred into other bodies of water. Patricia.
Good to know. Thanks, KAYLA. TVA works with private shoreline property owners to identify aquatic plants and the best treatment for them, but owners do have to hire their own licensed contractors to treat the areas with herbicide. This is not a do-it-yourself kind of job.